I felt like I was sliding too much. That makes me kind of nervous. Do you think I was sliding too much, or was I doing okay?
So the tires you have, you're pushing them as far as you can push them, right?
Yeah.
So if you're sliding, there's not a whole lot you're going to be able to do with regular street tires, right? So keep pushing, but where you're going to make up time is exit on corners. Okay, so you go in fast, you go in hard and do all that good stuff, but then on your exits, that's where you have to keep your speed.
Yeah.
That's how S2000s and Miatas, that's how we do what we do.
Okay.
Because we keep corner speed. So make sure your corner entry's right, and then your exit, you get on it. And you'll find that there's a point where if you get on it too early, you'll step out just a little bit, which you did, coming on the close street right there. You stepped on it, you got just a little bit, but so you know where you can and can't. If you learn that on every corner, like essentially this lap, then your last one, you'll be hitting all the marks. Okay. You know what I mean? Yeah. Because corner speed is what makes our car successful.
Yeah, I mean, if I end with that being my fastest time, I'll be happy.
Yeah, I'm gonna end with that being your fast time. You'll see.
Okay. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Alrighty, you got this.
878.632 plus 1. 580.632 plus 1. Another second.
Side of the cone.
Yeah, that's what messed you up. This last one, I'll let you go by yourself.
Okay.
So you better get a 67.
Turner runs a 580.49. 580.49.
67?
Yeah.
What was it, 67? Like a low 67?
I don't remember. It was like 67.5, I think.
Hell yeah.